Introduction: The Cake Man is a groundbreaking play written by Robert Merritt in 1975. It is considered the first full-length play by an Aboriginal Australian playwright to be published and performed. The play was originally staged by the Black Theatre in Redfern, Sydney, and has since been recognised as a significant work in Australian Indigenous theatre. Setting and background: The play is set in an Aboriginal mission, a controlled settlement where Indigenous Australians were forced to live under strict rules imposed by white authorities. Missions were designed to assimilate Aboriginal people into Western culture, often stripping them of their language, traditions, and autonomy. Merritt, who was a member of the Stolen Generations, used The Cake Man to reflect on the struggles of Aboriginal people living under colonial oppression. His own experiences of being forcibly taken from his family influenced the play's themes and emotional depth. Plot summary: Act 1. The hardships of mission life. The play centers on an Aboriginal family living in poverty on a mission. The father, Sweet William, struggles to find meaning in his life while working in harsh conditions for white landowners who exploit Aboriginal labor. His wife, Ruby, is a strong and nurturing woman who holds the family together despite their suffering. Their son, Pumpkinhead, is an innocent child who believes in the legend of the Cake Man, a mystical figure who brings joy and sweets to children. Pumpkinhead's belief in the Cake Man represents hope and the longing for a better future. Throughout this act, the white authorities impose strict rules on the mission, keeping the Aboriginal people in a state of dependency and powerlessness. The lack of freedom and opportunities creates frustration and despair among the adults. Act 2. The arrival of the Cake Man. Pumpkinhead eagerly waits for the Cake Man, believing that he will bring happiness to his life. However, the reality is much harsher. When the anticipated gift from the white authorities finally arrives, it turns out to be stale, leftover cake, symbolizing the false promises and empty gestures of colonial rulers toward Indigenous people. Sweet William, overwhelmed by anger and helplessness, lashes out in frustration. The moment highlights the emotional and psychological toll of oppression. In the end, Pumpkinhead's childlike innocence is shattered as he begins to understand the harsh realities of the world. Key themes and symbolism: colonial oppression and racism. The mission system represents the broader oppression of Aboriginal Australians, showing how they were controlled, marginalized, and denied basic rights. White landowners exploit Indigenous labor while providing minimal wages and poor living conditions. Cultural dispossession and identity. The play highlights the loss of Aboriginal traditions and the struggle to maintain cultural identity in a world that seeks to erase it. Sweet William's internal conflict represents the pain of disconnection from his heritage. The Cake Man as a symbol. The Cake Man, initially seen as a figure of joy and generosity, ultimately represents the deception of colonial rulers. The stale cake symbolizes broken promises and the illusion of benevolence from white authority. Hope versus disillusionment. Pumpkinhead's transformation from innocence to awareness mirrors the journey of many Indigenous Australians who faced the harsh realities of colonial rule. Despite the suffering, the play suggests resilience and the enduring spirit of Aboriginal people. Significance of the play: The Cake Man was one of the first plays to give Aboriginal people a voice in Australian theatre. It exposed mainstream audiences to the realities of Indigenous life under colonisation. The play helped pave the way for future Indigenous playwrights and storytellers. Below is a detailed character analysis of the principal figures in Robert Merritt's The Cake Man, along with an exploration of the symbolic roles they play in highlighting the themes of colonial oppression, loss of innocence, and cultural resilience. Sweet William. Role and traits. The struggling patriarch. Sweet William is the father of the family, representing the older generation burdened by the weight of colonial history and its ongoing effects. Resilience amid exploitation. His character is marked by a deep-seated weariness and frustration. Trapped within an oppressive system, one that devalues his labor and culture, he embodies the struggle of many Aboriginal men who are forced to reconcile their heritage with the demands imposed by colonial society. Internal conflict. His internal battle reflects both resignation to his circumstances and a simmering desire to assert dignity. His responses to the exploitation around him mirror the broader disempowerment experienced by his community. Symbolic significance. Sweet William is not merely a character but a representation of a generation caught between survival and the fading remnants of cultural identity. His experiences expose the emotional and physical toll of colonial policies on Indigenous families. Ruby role and traits. Phil Circle, the nurturing matriarch. Ruby, the mother, is portrayed as the emotional core of the family. Her strength and resourcefulness help keep the family together in the face of overwhelming adversity. Phil Circle, cultural anchor. Even as external forces attempt to erode traditional ways of living, Ruby's character symbolizes the perseverance of Aboriginal cultural values. Her ability to nurture hope, despite constant challenges, stands as a beacon of resilience. Symbolic significance. Ruby's steadfastness highlights the often unrecognized role of women in maintaining cultural continuity and family cohesion. In a setting marked by exploitation and broken promises, she becomes a symbol of enduring strength and cultural survival. Conclusion. The Cake Man is a powerful, symbolic, and deeply emotional play that captures the struggles of Aboriginal Australians under colonial rule. Through the journey of Pumpkinhead, Merritt explores themes of hope, disillusionment, and resistance, making the play a landmark work in Australian theatre history.